This is Harrison Wiswell with the demonstration of my prototype game project. So what we have here is just a simple jumping game that I like to call popcorn catcher. So let's go ahead and press start on this. So the goal of this game is popcorn will be dropping from the sky. You'll move your character left to right, and you'll try to catch as much popcorn as you can. Down here we have a little counter. The goal is to get to 30 and then a little exit in the top of the screen will show up, and the player will have to jump up, and that will take them to the win screen. Okay, so we're at about 14 pieces of popcorn right now. As you can see, these are very bouncy and they'll throw you around. So originally I was thinking of trying to potentially implement an enemy into this. However, I've been having some keyboard issues lately, and that seems to be affecting how the game plays. And so, yeah, there's the exit right up here. So now, yeah, we'll continue to count more popcorn, but it doesn't really affect anything. Um, so because of the slippery physics that I have in here and the fact that my keyboard isn't 100% functioning, yeah, there's the windscreen. Yeah, so since the keyboard has not been fully functioning, I decided against adding an enemy. You can see I did create the sprite right here. The original plan was to have the enemy be an object that will bounce around in the room after collecting a certain number of popcorn. Yeah, and so just a fun fact with this game is it's actually kind of based on a project that I did a few years back. Or actually, to say project is more just something I did for fun. Um, I was taking a computer science class and we used a application called Greenfoot, which is basically utilizes Java code and so with that, I created a simple little arcade style game called Chubby the Baby, where you'd hop around on platforms, burgers would show up, and you try to get them within a certain time. Otherwise, that'll disappear, and you'll have to wait for another one to randomly generate in the world. That one had a lava pit at the bottom, and enemies would randomly spawn in after collecting a certain amount. And uh, after you collected 30 burgers, a cake would appear at the top of the screen, and you'd have to jump up, and you'd get that, and that would finish the game. Um, yeah, and so this is the prototype game that I have built for this week. Thank you for watching.